Alright, so I finished typing in the frequencies for part A. So essentially I have my frequency distribution done. If you like, it wouldn't hurt you to find the sum of this column. Let me teach you one fast way to do it. If you're sitting here and you go to the home screen, over here on the far right, for many of you, there'll be a little sigma icon. That's what that symbol is. It's a capital Greek letter S. You click that and it'll automatically know what you want to find the sum of everything that's above it. And you can press enter. There you go. 51. Beautiful. I'll make it bold. That makes it a little bit more obvious. As a matter of fact, I'm going to type total over here. That way it's obvious what that is. Now, let's go back and look at what else we have to do here. They want us to, part B, construct a relative frequency distribution. Cool. All right, well, I've got the total part. That's great. Let me type relative frequency over here. See, got it spelled right. All right, now, oops, I don't want that, so I'm gonna go make the double-sided arrow, double click. There we go. Now it makes it big enough. And it's gonna be the same thing we've done before. Equals cell E2 divided by E10, but I'm going to give E10 $signs. And again, the fast way to do that is to press the F4 button. That gives each of those letter and the number a $sign. So when I press enter, there we go. Now I go back up, click on it again, go to the handle, and drag. Perfect. Looking pretty good. Let's double check. Let's go to the right, and with our dragging, there we go, and it makes one. That's good. It should make one. Before I even move away from this, I'm going to make these bold too. And then, oh, that made all these words too long. That's okay. You can double click and drag along, highlight all of those columns, and go to any one of them and make the double-sided arrow. Double click, and there they go. They're all big enough. I don't know about you, but I kind of like them centered. So let's go there. Centered. Great. Perfect. It's looking good. We've got a frequency distribution, which is a fancy name for a table that shows the frequency, and the relative frequency distribution. Later on, it might be nice to have these classes typed out a little bit differently. So let me right click, click on this column E, and I'm going to right click and I'm going to insert. Right, so I right clicked on the column, insert. I'm going to type the classes out. 24,000 to 26,999. 27,000 to oopsie to 29,999, and so on. This will be helpful later on for graphing, if I'm not mistaken. So, oopsie, I missed a 9 there. Let me go back up there. 35,999, 36,000 to 38,999, and so on. And you might notice I dropped the last row of my table because I didn't need it. My highest value was in the 47,000s, so I didn't need any higher than that. Groovy. Now I've got my classes, I've got my frequencies, I've got my relative frequencies. I'm all set. So parts A and B are done. All right, next thing we're going to do is construct a frequency histogram, but that'll have to be in the next tutorial because I'm running out of time.